Meet the Zeta 1024, the tiny security camera that packs a serious punch. Movie camera magnifying glass tilted left. It's stealthy, smart, and super powerful, perfect for keeping an eye on what matters most. Shoots in full HD, with wide-angle lens coverage. Long battery life, up to 50 hours of continuous recording. Battery stopwatch motion activated. Loop recording. Crystal clear audio. Place it anywhere: home, car, office, backpack, you name it. It's so small, no one will even notice it's there. Ideal for surveillance, evidence, or just peace of mind. Tired of old-school bike locks? Meet the Ellipse Smart Bike Lock. Security needs smart tech for your ride. No keys. No codes. Just walk up and go. Ellipse has a tamper alarm and built-in motion sensors that alert you instantly if someone messes with your bike. Yep, it charges in daylight, so it's always ready when you are. It's military-grade tough, weather-resistant, and built to last. Plus, share access with friends through the app, no more passing around keys. It's smart, secure, and seamless. Wonder if your tires are safe? Meet the ZUS Smart Tire Safety Monitor, your car's new best friend. Just plug in the sensors, and boom, real-time tire pressure and temperature updates straight to your phone. No more guessing. No more surprises. ZUS detects it before it becomes a problem thanks to its AccuTemp algorithm. You'll know before your tire goes flat. The in-car receiver also doubles as a USB charger, so you stay powered up on the go. Whether you're commuting or road tripping, ZUS gives you peace of mind and maximum control. With ZUS Smart Tire Monitor, your tires talk and you listen. Tired of bulky travel pillows that never work? Meet the Bullrest Travel Pillow, the world's smallest, most ergonomic travel pillow. Designed by a chiropractor, it supports your neck just right, keeping your spine aligned even in economy class. No more head bobbing, no more sore necks. Bullrest cradles your head from the base, small in size, huge on comfort. And yeah, it's half the size of traditional pillows, fits in your pocket or bag with ease. Plus, the memory foam? Super soft and supportive. Bullrest's got your back, literally. Sleep smarter, travel better with Bullrest. Think all bike locks are the same? Think again. Meet the Skunk Lock, the lock that literally fights back. Try to cut it? Skull Boom, it releases a noxious chemical that makes thieves gag, cry, and run. We're talking military-grade deterrent, so nasty, most can't even stay near it. Skunk Lock doesn't just protect your bike, it makes sure no one even tries to steal it. Built tough with high carbon steel and ready for the streets. No electronics. No batteries. Just raw, in-your-face protection. This is real security with real consequences. Skunk Lock, because some locks say, please don't steal me. Tired of old-school bike locks? Meet the Ellipse Smart Bike Lock. Security needs smart tech for your ride. No keys. No codes. Just walk up and go. Ellipse has a tamper alarm and built-in motion sensors that alert you instantly if someone messes with your bike. Yep, it charges in daylight, so it's always ready when you are. It's military-grade tough, weather-resistant, and built to last. Plus, share access with friends through the app, no more passing around keys. It's smart, secure, and seamless. Flat tire? Don't sweat it. Meet the Ride Air Portable Air Capsule, your on-the-go tire inflator. No pumping. No hassle. Just press a button, and boom, your tires inflated in seconds, perfect for bikes, scooters, strollers, even balls. It's refillable, fits in your bottle cage, and works with Presta and Schrader valves. And yep, it's eco-friendly and totally reusable. Going tubeless? RideAir's got your back with a quick blast of pressure. Lightweight, compact, and powerful, this is a must-have for every rider. Stay pumped. Stay moving. With the RideAir Portable Air Capsule. It's not just a bike light. It's become the intelligent anti-theft bike light that fights back. Snap it onto your bike, and the magic begins. Motion sensors detect tampering and trigger a screaming 120 dB alarm. Yeah, that thief's not sticking around. Plus, it's crazy bright, keeping you safe and visible on the road. Auto on/off, USB rechargeable, and totally waterproof. The best part? It looks like a normal tail light, stealthy but savage when needed. Beacon equals light plus security in one smart device.